Would you like to teach your kid how to make wise spending decisions? Hi, welcome to the Money Talk with Miriam. Today, I will show you how your kid can learn how to make conscious and wise spending decisions with snacks. Does your kid understand the consequences of his decisions when it comes to spending? From birth, we all have choices. At first, our parents make the decisions for us, but by the end of the first year, we are already capable of making some simple selections on our own. A good way to start teaching your kid the price of things and how to make spending decisions is this. When snack time comes, sit them in front of 2 or 3 different snack options and give them, for example, €1. Each snack should have a price. Let's say the piece of fruit is 50 cents, the cereal bar is €1, and the muffin is €1.50. In front of this scenario, your kid will have different choices. Buying 2 pieces of fruit today, buying 1 cereal bar today, or buying 1 piece of fruit and saving 50 cents to be able to buy the muffin tomorrow. This exercise introduces children to the concept of dividing their money into categories, namely save and spend. Isn't that a fun way to make spending decisions? If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about different ways to give your kids a solid financial foundation while having fun.